Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the new Hero Extreme 125R. But it's not just an ordinary version. We are talking about the 2026 Hero Extreme 125R with dual-channel ABS, cruise control, and a full TFT screen model. Let's see how it stacks up in the 125cc sporty commuter segment. Let's get started.
Okay, let's do Julie. What's wrong with her? She's not Rachel.
From the moment you swing a leg over it, the Extreme 125R gives you that big bike feel. It's got aggressive styling, wide tank shrouds, that chunky 120-section rear tire and sporty ergonomics. Under the hood it uses a 124.7cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine producing around 11.4 bhp and 10.5 Nm of torque. As for features, the earlier version offered segment-first items, like a front 276mm disc, widest in class 120-section tire and twin disc with dual-channel ABS. Now, the upgraded model adds dual-channel ABS, cruise control, and a full-color TFT display, a big step up. This full-color TFT display is very bright and colorful, and it has 3 ABS modes. Also, it has a Bluetooth connectivity. For the charge your camera and phone, it has USB port too. If you are in the market for a sporty, feature-rich 125cc commuter that stands out, this upgraded Hero Extreme 125R is definitely worth a look. The addition of dual-channel ABS, cruise control, and a modern screen pushes it ahead of many rivals. So, for city and semi-urban rides, this could be one of the best 125cc in the segment right now. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future bike reviews. If you own one of these, drop your riding experience in the comments below. Ride safe and keep safe. Always wear a certified helmet. Bye, see you next time.